We love efficiency when it comes to a blowout. Now, the more hair you have, the more sections you might need. So I'm going to do it the way I need for my hair type, which is fine to medium. It's not too thick, but the thicker hair that you have, the more sections you might need. So you can alter this or modify this based off of you and your hair type. First, I like to start with what I call a Mohawk section, and that's because it's where you would have a Mohawk. So I like to take the top kind of like, almost like eyebrow to eyebrow, take both of my fingers right here and then meet them in the back so that they're like touching, and then take one away and pull the rest down. Pull that hair up, take another finger, put it in there, and then like just do a little spin and lay that on top of my head. And then I like to use an alligator clip. And I like to use these because of the claws. They're going to hold a lot of hair and keep it in there and not slip out like some of the other smoother clips. But the claws can help you or hurt you. So make sure that when you put these in, you're putting them in a neat way that you're going to be able to pull back out nicely, okay? So put it in softly so that when you pull it out, you're not ripping your hair out. Next, I like to do an ear to ear parting. So I like to do the exact same thing, fingers here, touch in the back, pull that stuff down, put my finger in, twist it around, take another alligator clip, and then gently put it right over that whole little bun. Then I take the bottom section, split it in two, and then pull it right in the front so that I can see everything that I'm working with, because today with this style that we're doing, I'm gonna start from the bottom and work up to the top. In the center section, if you have a lot more hair, you could do the same thing where you split it in half first and take a section here in the front, and then do another section in the back, or whichever way works most efficiently for you and your hair type. Do you ever section? Are you gonna try it now? If you wanna see how this sectioning actually makes my styling go faster, then watch the next step, which is styling my hair.